Today, my brother Greg, in this version, in this form, is going to show you how to cuticle prep using the new Young Nails cuticle bits right now. I am so pumped because Young Nails just launched 3 new diamond bits. They're gonna make your life easier when it comes to the maintenance of gel polish. They launched a diamond square, a diamond ball, and a round bit that is really going to make cuticle work and maintenance of gel polish super easy. So we have the square bit, we have the ball bit, and we have the round bit. The best part about these bits is how gentle they are around the cuticle and sidewalls. Let me demonstrate. So what I'm gonna show you guys is the ball bit first. I'm gonna set my electric file to about 4,000 RPMs. And again, I'm working on a customer who has gel polish on her nail. Now, if I was going through maintenance, if I wanted to do cuticle work before I remove the gel polish, the best part about this is I could rub this, as you can see, along the back end of her cuticle, and you can see how well it's going to clean it up. I'm not being aggressive. All I'm doing is being very, very gentle, and I'm running that all the way around the edge. And what it's going to do, it's going to clean up all of that loose protein growth that can actually affect the bond of the gel polish on the back end. Now, if you notice right inside here, you could see a little bit of that protein growth. So what you're gonna love about this bit is how well I'm going to be able to get that end right up to that edge and clean up that area. Again, the best part about this square bit is I could fit it in those really tight areas. Okay, so you're gonna see that little bit of protein growth. All I'm doing is running the bit along the edge, and what it's going to do is make sure that I clean that up so that I have perfect cuticles. So what I've done is I've removed the gel polish from the surface of the enhancement, but as you can see right here, there is gel polish along the edges. And this could be intimidating for a beginner who's just learning to use an electric file. I want to be able to show you how you're going to be able to clean that area up with the round bit and get it ready for a new gel polish application. Okay, so what I've done is I'm running my barrel around 5,000 RPMs, and you can see how well it's going to clean up all that color. And then, you know, the best part about it is if I'm running it up and around the cuticle area, all this is going to do is clean it up. This is really nice because, as you can see, I can run it down this way as well, right? And again, if I hit her skin, nothing is going to happen. This is going to be absolutely perfect for me to come in and do all the detailing around the edges, remove any excess gel polish, and prepare it for a fresh application. You can see how I've removed the gel polish from around the surface. I cleaned up around the cuticle area, right? And we've done absolutely no damage to the natural nail as well as their skin. So one last thing I want to be able to show you guys, which is going to make your life easier. Let's say you apply your gel polish and you get a little bit onto the skin like this, right back here. Right? It's frustrating because you can't just clean it up because it's going to stain the area or make it worse. So what I like to do is I'm just gonna leave it. I got it inside the lamp and cured it just on that outside. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna be able to do with one of the bits that's going to make your life easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the square bit, and you can see on the back end how it's touching that skin area. What I can do is I could get right back to the very, very edge and take a look at this. I could detail it off of the edge and make it absolutely perfect. This is going to ensure that you don't have to deal with cleaning it up right away, and it's going to make it look absolutely flawless when you do your detailing with that square bit. These 3 new bits from Young Nails are going to be incredible when it comes to natural as well as enhancement style work.